yesterday, the designated coal scam court led by and presided over by Mr. Arun Bhardwaj has recorded its first full-fledged acquittal, exonerating and acquitting each and every accused. AEC Corporation in 1998 had brought in a foreign direct investment of around $250 million. AEC Corporation, based out of United States, wanted to increase its footprint in India. The purposes of now wanting to invest about $500 million.
And now we are being joined by Mr. Tasleem Ahmed Mir, who is the advocate, and he was representing one of the firm which is USA based, and it is for the first time that coal scheme designated court has acquitted someone. Sir, it is for the first time that the coal scam designated court has acquitted someone. Can you brief us something about this?
Well, this was a case initiated by CBI against an American company by the name of AEC Corporation USA, which is a power giant all over the world and is having a net worth of, I think, more than $60 billion. They generate power out of 42 countries of the world. So this company, along with its directors and its 100% subsidiary, was facing a criminal trial initiated by CBI in the coal block scam matters. So the prosecution charge was that the subsidiary of this company at the time of applying for a coal block were not having the relevant eligibility criteria to claim itself as a 100% subsidiary of the American company. And for that purpose, the CBI initiated a charge sheet. A full-fledged trial commenced. The prosecution adduced the testimony of around 18 witnesses. And I represented the defense along with lawyers from India's top law firm, that is Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. We had about 5 witnesses to testify in defense. And finally, yesterday, the designated coal scam court led by and presided over by Mr. Arun Bhardwaj has recorded its first full-fledged acquittal, exonerating and acquitting each and every accused. This is a relief for the American company, but the fallout of this entire prosecution is a bit painstaking, because AEC Corporation in 1998 had brought in a foreign direct investment of around $250 million. And they were already having a power generation company based out of Orissa in a joint venture with OPGC. They also had a power distribution company. When the coal blocks were advertised for private participation, AEC Corporation, based out of United States, wanted to increase its footprint in India and selected Chhattisgarh for the purpose of setting up a power plant. They also applied for an FIPB clearance for the purposes of now wanting to invest about $500 million. Unfortunately, the fallout of these all coal scam investigations, they got embroiled in an unfortunate criminal prosecution. They've been honorably exonerated yesterday. But the fallout is that the American company long back packed its bags, sold off its assets, and, walked out of the country. So therefore, the government, the people of this country have directly lost an FDI opportunity of almost 1,000 million US dollars. And if this company had stayed here and not unfortunately got involved and prosecuted in the coal block scam, we would have seen hundreds and thousands of jobs and a great amount of foreign investment. Though it's a relief for the company and the directors, but this is a part of a slight misfortune.
Sir, I will take a second question. How long was the trial, and is the CBI moving to Delhi High Court challenging the order of trial court or not?
Yes. You see, the preliminary inquiry started after the Manohar Sharma's petition was decided by the Supreme Court. That's way back in 2014 and 15. The investigation commenced in 15. Finally, a charge sheet was filed. and trial took about 3 years, during which period of time about 18 to 20 witnesses testified for the prosecution. And we called some American people also, some American experts, along with witnesses from the AEC Corporation to testify in defense before the learned trial court. Now, yesterday they all have been acquitted. As far as whether the Central Bureau of Investigation would be wanting to launch an appeal or not, they have every right to do so. That question can only be answered by them. But as far as I, being the lead defense lawyer, is taken into consideration, it will be an exercise in absolute futility. I am more pained, not about this unfortunate criminal prosecution, but about the fallout. और fallout ये है कि साहब हमारे मुल्क में $1,000 मिलियन की इन्वेस्टमेंट हो रही थी. अगर कोयले घोटाले के केस नहीं होते और यहाँ गलत तरीके की प्रोसिक्यूशन नहीं होती, तो हमारे मुल्क में $1,000 मिलियन की इन्वेस्टमेंट ये कंपनी लेके आ रही थी. और साहब जब इस कंपनी के ऊपर केस हो गए तो पूरी ही इन्वेस्टमेंट, जो पहले की भी $300 मिलियन की इन्वेस्टमेंट है, वो बेच बाच के कंपनी हिंदुस्तान से चली गई. यही दुखदायक बात है.
So definitely it is a huge relief for the client, and it is for the first time then the cold designated court in Delhi has acquitted someone. Remember, the cold designated court is dealing more than 100 cases, and for the first time it is happening, then in a full-fledged someone has been acquitted, and Mr. Tanveer Ahmed was representing him. Sir, thank you very much for speaking with us.
Thank you.
For such fine news breaks and video features from ground on your mobile phones, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The New Indian, by clicking on the bell icon. Also, follow us on the social media handles on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Coup.